Okay, good morning, students. So we'll be starting with our third quiz in the series today, and that is on the theme of sustainable future. So before we begin with the quiz, there are certain instructions that I would like you all to know. The first and foremost is that all these questions, they are timed. Okay, so you'll have a duration of 15 seconds to answer this question, and also your response time would be noted. That means how quickly you are answering the questions. That is also very important. So, try avoiding looking for questions on the internet. And the second thing is, this question is open for everyone. Be it teachers, be it students, be it foreign nationals. Okay, and all the winners for the first three positions, they will receive certificates as well as the cash prize. So as was already circulated in the mail also, this quiz would be conducted through menti.com website. Okay, and you have to register yourself there, and the site that will ask you to enter your nickname. Okay, so don't enter your nickname, enter your real name. Okay, so this is important. आप लोग को अपना नाम भरना है, रियल नेम. निकनेम कोई नहीं भरेगा, निकनेम आपका अवार्ड के लिए भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा, राइट? So the same name that you have used for registering, that you have to enter in the menti.com. तो आपको अपना रियल नेम एंटर करना है वेबसाइट पे, कोई निकनेम यूज नहीं करना है. और जैसा मैंने बोला, टाइम्ड क्वेश्चंस है, ठीक है? तो जितना जल्दी आप आंसर कर रहे हो, दैट विल आल्सो बी नोटेड इन मेंटी. ओके, एंड यू हैव ओनली 15 सेकेंड्स टू आंसर दैट. सो 15 सेकेंड है आपके पास, और आपको उसको जो है जितना जल्दी आप आंसर करोगे वो भी आपका काउंट होगा. ओके, कोई आपका नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, ठीक है? और जो आपके गलत आंसर होंगे उनके आपको 0 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे, बट देयर वुड बी नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. ओके, okay, so the second thing is कि after the second thing is कि after every fifth question, जब आप 5 क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लोगे, तो आपको there will be a leaderboard जो कि आपका डिक्लेयर करेगा कि ये कंपटीशन कौन टॉप कर रहा है, राइट? तो जब आपके सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस फिनिश हो जाएंगे, लास्ट क्वेश्चन के बाद द विनर्स वुड बी डिक्लेयर्ड. Okay, and it is important कि once this quiz ends, you have to join back in YouTube. I'll share my email ID at last. So those of you who are coming as first, second, and third, they have to claim it, writing an email to me. Okay, so failure to claim that would be difficult for us also to give the awards. So once the results are declared, please write an email to me that I have got such and such position. Is that clear? Okay, and once the quiz ends, आपको जो है वापस YouTube ज्वाइन करना है, and this is my email ID that I am sharing here, punitapandey@gmail.com, punetapandey@gmail.com. ठीक है? So shall I tell this code over? No? हाँ, okay. So if you see this link now, this link is the website where you will be attempting the quiz, www.menti.com. Okay, and there you have to enter the code 25672735. I repeat it again, website है आपका www.menti.com और कोड है आपका 25672735. Okay.
Just repeat that in Hindi.
This one?
Yeah, the code and
Okay. Okay. So students, ये जो हमने आपको एक ऑरेंज में एक लिंक दिख रहा होगा, www.menti.com. आपको इस वेबसाइट पे जाना है. आप कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड ब्राउजर यूज कर सकते हो, चाहे आप वो लैपटॉप पे करो, चाहे आप अपने कंप्यूटर पे करो, चाहे आप अपने मोबाइल डिवाइस पे, आप कहीं से भी लॉग इन कर सकते हो, ठीक है? और इस वेबसाइट पे लॉग इन करके आपको ये कोड डालना है जो हमने लास्ट लाइन में दिया है, 25672735, और अपना नेम एंटर करना है. Okay, then we will be starting the quiz.
chat box doesn't work. Answering in the YouTube chat.
Okay. Okay, एक और चीज है, आपका जो YouTube में चैट बॉक्स है, उसमें अगर आप आंसर कर रहे हो, वो हम नहीं कंसिडर कर पाएंगे, राइट। सो आप वेबसाइट पे जाइए, आप वहां पे लॉग इन करिए, आपका जो कोड दिया है अपना नेम एंटर करिए और उसी में आपको जो है अटेम्प्ट करना रहेगा। तो चैट बॉक्स में प्लीज आप मेंशन मत करिएगा।
You can just repeat that code once again.
Okay. Okay, so I'll repeat the code once again for you all. Okay, the code is 2567 2735 2567 2735 और आपका डिस्प्ले भी हो रहा है वेबसाइट www.menti.com। I wanted to mute myself.
Okay.
या सो स्टूडेंट्स हम 1 मिनट और वेट कर लेते हैं अगर कुछ और पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ज्वाइन करना है, राइट। सो मे बी वील स्टार्ट इन अनदर 1 or 2 minutes द क्विज। ओके, सो प्लीज bear with us for that.
It's okay, we can start. Just a moment, we are starting.
Okay, students, we'll be starting with the quiz now. Okay, so please be ready.
Just read it now.
Okay, so this is the first question. Which of the following is an indicator of global warming? Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, we had 4 options: poverty, rise in sea level, population explosion, and drop in global temperature. So rise in sea level is the correct answer, and it is estimated that by 2050 the sea level would rise by 30 centimeters compared to what it was in 2000. What do I need to do? Okay, it'll come.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the second question. When is World Environment Day celebrated? So a lot of you answered this. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. 5th June को हम World Environment Day celebrate करते हैं. Right? So this is the third question. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Yeah, so the correct answer here is water, because all the three options, coal, iron ore, petroleum, they get exhausted in the long run. Over a period of time, ये आपका renew करना मुश्किल होता है. Okay, so moving on to the next question. In which of the following layers of atmosphere, in which of the following layers of atmosphere is the ozone found? Ozone is found in which layer of the atmosphere? So the correct answer is stratosphere. Ozone आपका stratosphere में मिलता है. Next question, sustainable development can be achieved by, look at the options and then mark it. Yes, the correct answer is restricting the use of non-renewable resources. अगर आप renewable पे focus कर रहे हो, then it would be easier to achieve sustainable development. So this is the leaderboard that we have. Don Joseph is the fastest with 4369 points, followed by Jugesh Singh and then Kapil Garg. Okay, keep it up, students. So now let's move to the next question. The next question is, which is the central agency involved in pollution monitoring in India? इंडिया में कौन सी ऐसी एजेंसी है जो कि ऑल ओवर द कंट्री पोल्यूशन मॉनिटरिंग की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेती है? Yes, the correct answer to this is Central Pollution Control Board. ये आपके सारे स्टेट पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड को भी ये एपेक्स बॉडी है जो कि उनको भी सुपरवाइज करती है. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Okay, the next question is again related to previous one. कहाँ located है Central Pollution Control Board? Where is it located? So your time's up, and the correct answer for this is New Delhi. Central Pollution Control Board, या CPCB, that is located at New Delhi. Okay, so next question, please. Yeah, so this is the next question. Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? So the time's up. The correct answer is dried dung. Right? Traditionally हमारे घरों में पहले आपका dried cow dung cakes use किए जाते थे. Right? So this is a conventional source of energy. So the next question is, which of the following is the modern concept of development? Yes, the correct answer for this is sustainable development. Right? आपका economic development भी हो, human development भी हो, and environment should also not be damaged, and you should have resources for future generation. यही आपका sustainable development का concept है. Next question is, which of the following is a biotic element? Your time's up. Biotic element means living living things, right? तो biotic आपका इन सारे options में केवल आपके plants हैं, which is your correct answer. So the next we have again the leaderboard. Okay, again so again we have the winners in a no, this time the sequence has changed, and now we have Kapil Garg with the highest score, followed by Don Joseph and then Archana Kiran. Okay, so moving on to the next question now. The next question is, how many SDGs are there? SDGs here mean Sustainable Development Goals. So your time is up, and the correct answer to this is 17. We have total 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The next question is, which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Okay, your time is up, and the correct answer for this is methane. And greenhouse gases are those which would lead to global warming or the heating of the earth. The next question is, the source of energy on the earth is? Yeah, so most of you have got this answer correct, right? The source of energy on the earth is sun, which is driving all the processes on earth. So moving to the next question. Okay, which of the following is a source of water pollution? So students, your time is up. The correct answer for this is industrial discharge, because burning of coal and petroleum would lead to air pollution more compared to water pollution. Okay. The next question, before we move to leaderboard again. So the question is, red list keeps a record of yes, the correct answer for this is endangered animals and plants. So students would be surprised to know that we also have a term called as red data book, right? So this red data book, it keeps a record of all the species that are on the verge of extinction. But the red list, this keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. Okay, and this red data book that is published by IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Okay, so let's have a look at leaderboard now. Okay. Yeah. So again, the trend here for first and second participants is the highest score is for Kapil Garg, second is Don Joseph, and the third is Vaidehi Dheer. Okay, students, we should move to the next question now. The next question is, noise pollution is measured in, that means the units that you have to answer. Okay, so your time is up and I'm happy most of you could answer it correctly. The correct answer for this is decibel. Okay, so the unit decibel is actually 1/10 of bell, a unit for noise or sound named after Alexander Graham Bell. So moving to the next question. Okay, ozone hole is measured in, you have to fill up the blanks here. What are the units in which ozone hole is measured? Okay, so the correct answer is Dobson units. So this ozone hole is measured in Dobson units, not in meters, not in pascals, not in atmosphere. The next question is the theme Transforming Our World 2030 agenda. It pertains to which of the following? Yes. So this theme Transforming Our World 2030, this is an indicator for the Sustainable Development Goals. Okay. Moving to the next question now. Just a second. Yes. So what does ozone hole refer to? Yes, ozone hole does not refer to the absence of ozone layer. Rather, it represents the thinning of ozone layer. If the concentration of ozone molecules in atmosphere reduces below a certain minimum, we call it as ozone hole. So moving to the next question. The next question is, how many wildlife sanctuaries are there in India? Yes, the correct answer is that there are close to 553 wildlife sanctuaries in India, of which, a major chunk, that means Project Tiger, for this there are about 51, there are 51 wildlife sanctuaries. So we'll have a leaderboard now. Let's look at the scores. So this time we have Kapil Garg with the highest score of 17659 points, followed by Vaidehi Dheer, 17,255 points, and then Gokul Anil. Okay, students, so let's move to the next question. The next question is, what caused the Chernobyl disaster to happen? So your time is up. The correct answer is an experiment that had gone wrong, because this happened due to a flawed reactor design, right? Due to which this disaster had happened. So moving to the next question. Okay, so Bhopal gas tragedy was caused in, you have to mention the month and the year. Yes, the correct answer is December 1984. To be precise, this tragedy was caused during 2nd to 3rd December 1984. Okay, so this is related to the previous question. What caused the Bhopal gas tragedy? Okay, it was due to the leakage of which gas? Okay, so the correct answer for this is methyl isocyanate. Okay, students, so let me tell you this Bhopal gas tragedy. It happened, as I told you earlier also, during 2nd to 3rd December 1984. And there was a Union Carbide India Limited plant in Bhopal where this tragedy had happened. So moving to the next question. Okay, so blue baby syndrome is due to the presence of, you have to answer it. What is the cause for the blue baby syndrome? So your time is up, and the correct answer for this is excess nitrate in drinking water. Okay, so once a baby consumes a water that is polluted with nitrates, what happens is nitrates get converted into nitrites, and these nitrites, they bind with hemoglobin. So as a result, oxygen carrying is reduced and the baby starts turning blue. Okay, so next question. Okay, this question is United Nations Conference on Environment, which we also call as Earth Summit. It was held at which place in 1992? Yes. The correct answer for this is Rio de Janeiro. Okay, so let's have a look at the leaderboard again. Yes, so this time we have Vaidehi Dheer with the highest score, followed by Kapil Garg and then Don Joseph. Well done, students. So let's move to the next question. Okay, so the question is, which of the following lakes in India has the highest water salinity? इंडिया में कौन सा लेक है जो सबसे सॉल्टी है? Yeah, the correct answer for this is Sambhar Lake, that is situated in Rajasthan, not Chilka. Chilka is also brackish, but Sambhar is the one having highest salinity. So let's move to the next question. Okay, where is the National Disaster Management Authority located? We have 4 options. Yes, the correct answer for this is New Delhi. Let's move to the next question now. Okay, so this is, what is the largest freshwater lake in India located? Where is the largest freshwater lake in India? Which one is the largest freshwater lake in India? Not where, which one? The correct answer for this is Buller Lake. This is in Kashmir, and this is the largest freshwater lake in India, where even hydropower, for hydropower generation also this is being utilized. Okay, so moving to the next question now. Which of the following rivers is known as Padma River when it enters Bangladesh? So your time is up now. The correct answer for this is Ganga, not Brahmaputra. We had sort of a tie among these 2 answers. So the river Ganges or Ganga, when it enters Bangladesh, then it is known as river Padma. Okay, so now let's move to the last question of the quiz. This is the last question for today's quiz. Okay, biodiversity is highest in which of the following type of forests? Okay, your time is up. The correct answer for this is wet evergreen equatorial forest, right? So the rainforest, they have the highest biodiversity. So that is why your correct answer is wet evergreen equatorial forest. Okay, so this was the last question of the quiz, and let's have a look at the leaderboard now. Okay, so the highest score is by Kapil Garg. He scored 25282 points, 25,282 points. Okay, the second position is by Vaidehi Dheer, and the third is by Gokul Anil. So I would request you all to please mail me at punitapandey@gmail.com. punetapandey@gmail.com. प्लीज आप तीनों मुझे punitapandey@gmail.com पे मेल कर दीजिएगा that you have won today's quiz. Okay. Okay, so students, there is one more announcement before I congratulate all the winners. Tomorrow also we'll have a quiz at the same time, 10 a.m. and that will be on the role of Punjab in science and technology. So please be present tomorrow also at this time, and congratulations to all the winners for winning today's quiz on sustainable future.